Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a gamble. You don't really know you are.
Hi guys, this is me, me, aka Tasha, coming to you with a new video. This video I want to do is show you guys my hair and how I take care of my hair, because I am currently on a hair journey to grow my hair waist length. So I cut my hair in 2021 because my size was cut, so I just had the mohawk. So I cut it even, and it's 2025. I cut it November, so almost 4 years since then. So this is my hair. I just took out some twist in my hair. As far as what I'm going to use to pre-poo and oil control, oil treat my hair, is this DUI oil I made, as well as this African Pride Moisture Miracle Olay and coconut water detangling and conditioning pre-poo. Ooh, see that? So I like the consistency of this. It's kind of, I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's like jelly-like, but it works wonders on your hair. So I'm going to use that as a pre-poo. I got some scrunchies and some hair ties to help me out with that, as well as I made my own rosemary water. Got cloves in it and a little bit of peppermint oil in it. But yes, I'm using that on my hair. I still got some of the cloves because I made this like a couple days ago. But yeah, I'm about to do that and then let it sit for a little while before I take a shower and wash my hair. As far as styling my hair, I'm going to do a half wig. So yeah, it is raining here. A tropical storm is passing by, so I don't want to straighten and do nothing to my hair because it's going to frizz back up with all that. So anywho, I don't want this part to be too long. I'm about to do some B-roll of me detangling and doing that, and I'll be back with you guys. So stay tuned.
I touch that's fine for you. I do that 3-4 times and can I testify for you? I told her like you, that bitch, I do it all and I'm around, you're scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. White bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Hard to grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too.
Alright guys, I just got done working my hair. What I used to actually wash my hair was this Design Essentials. This is the honey cream. This is a salt-free shampoo. So right now I'm about to make this concoction to deep condition my hair, let it sit for a while. I'm going to use this Curl Smith Hydro Cream Soothing Mask. I have a plastic bowl and spoon. I'm going to mix it with my oil and do a deep condition on my hair. So this part is going to be sped up. So stay tuned.
Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. I can't lose. not with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Ay, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in a hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I can lend you. Oh, a peace of mind, baby, come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I f*** your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try to tease with them pictures. You can ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all the questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you ain't dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young killer, girl, I'm known as Pink Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me, yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Huh. Girl, I know you feel me, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, so much to live for, too, baby. Whoa. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got.
Maintain it, safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pay and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get low. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out switching sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some more. Still got a pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fall when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rackets too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some bitch or both. Make the braid, this nigga's like getting low. I spent time on the roots on the Lambo and didn't even know how to read them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna live the dope. 30 people don't feel me weird. Just follow behind the years. In the room, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner.
guys, so I washed the conditioner out and my sister braided my hair down and I got a braid across. So I'm about to, first let me tell y'all what I used on my hair. I made some shea oil I used to moisturize my hair, as well as some shea butter that I put some of this oil in to braid it down. As far as leave-in, I just used, I used Paul's Mentioned the conditioner and some a little of this TGI's daily moisturizer on my hair. So I am about to step out for a second. I'm about to put this wig on, but on my leave out, I just probably gonna make this a headband, put a headband on it. This is the icy hair that y'all saw me do a video on it. It's been washed and conditioner, and I don't think here's the inside of it. Usually I just put this on my head, so I'm gonna show you guys how I put this on my head, and like I said, I'm just gonna put a headband on over it. So, yeah. Alright, I know it don't match my shirt, but it's blue. I couldn't find my black one. But I'm just running up the street. So I just got the headband on. I do got a two-top on, and I have some of these scorchers on. But yeah, this is what I currently do to my hair when I want to wear my wigs. I just really wanted to show you guys. Like I said, I'm on a hair journey, trying to grow my hair waist length. That's the goal. So yeah, I also been taking some of these, which have been helping me on my growth. This is the Mary Ruth hair, skin, and nails gummies, and I've been using this on my edges to help me with my edges. I've only been using this for a few days, but this is the Ordinary multi-peptide serum for hair density. I've been using this on my edges. But yeah, that's pretty much what's going on. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I plan on doing more wash days videos in the future, and more hair and me styling my hair. So hope you guys like this. Don't forget the thumbs up, hit that notification button, and not just the notification, the subscribe button and the notification button, so you can be notified when I do upload. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.